In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a trick that you can use to EQ your backing vocals so that they blend in perfectly well into the mix, but at the same time not come in the way of the lead vocal. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Che. I make music production tutorials on YouTube. Consider subscribing, click that post notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Before we even get started, let me show you what we're dealing with here. I've got my lead vocal right here and a bunch of background vocals right here. So I have my lead vocal sent to my lead vocal group channel here, and I have all my backup vocals sent to my backup vox group channel here. So this is where all the effects for my background vocals are. I've already done the entire mixing of the song. I've balanced everything, but I want to show you one secret to just blend your backing vocals into the mix so that they are not in the way of the lead vocal, but at the same time audible enough for the entire mix. So if I play this, you'll see that everything is already a little bit balanced. So if you take a look at this, it's normal right here. Then after this point builds up and then the background vocals come in. Take a listen to this. The background vocals sound balanced with the lead vocal and all. We just need to make sure that the lead vocal shines and stands on top of the background vocals, but at the same time the background vocals are audible enough for the entire mix. So let me show you how I do this. To help me achieve this, I'm going to use one of my favorite EQs from Waves, which is the Waves F6. What I'll do is go to my background vocal group channel. Right at the end of my background vocal chain here, I'm going to add Waves F6. So the first thing I'm going to do on the EQ is activate this high pass filter right here and simply take it all the way to 125 Hz. And the reason I've done this is because I want to cut off more low end from my background vocals so that they don't compete too much with my lead vocal. I'll move on to this point right here and just cut out a little bit of the boominess at around 250. And then I'll set the gain to -1.5. Then I'll move on to this point right here around 500 Hz just to take out some of the boxiness, the gain -2 dB. So next I'm going to move to this band right here, change it to side and set it to high shelf, and then just boost it up to 2.5, set the Q to 0.6, and then push this down here, set it to high shelf like that. Set the Q to 0.6, again to -2.5, change it to mid. So basically what I've done for these two is I'm reducing the mid frequency by 2.5 to let the vocal pass through, and then I'm boosting the background vocals in the sides. I want these frequencies right here, especially the mid, to be controlled by the lead vocal. So what I'll do is click this and come to sidechain source and just change it to external. Then I'll come here and add my lead vocal channel here. I'll activate it here. Every single time the lead vocal comes in, the background vocals will be reducing in volume around this frequency here to leave way for the lead vocal. Let's take the range to -5, then let's play around with the threshold. So you can see what's going on with this band right here, and I'm going to do the same thing for this band at around 250. So I'll go to sidechain source, external, I'll set the range to -3, then let's play around with the threshold. Celui qui m'a rassuré, m'a tant aimé, m'a pardonné. So I think that sounds great for me. When we play this together with the beat, okay, so you can try and play around with the threshold and a little bit of these values just to perfect it. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like because it helps the channel grow. If you're new to this channel, subscribe and click that post notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Follow me on Instagram at TheMg, Facebook at TheMg. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in my next video. Peace.